mid-1970s, they did research with Karajan where they put electrodes on him and did the electrocardiogram live when he conducted, measured all not only his heartbeat but also the structure of his heartbeat when he conducted, and then they did the same when he flew his plane. It was very funny to see that he was far more excited when conducting than in really difficult situations that they brought him flying his plane. So that was a very interesting thing.
The future of music. How is music and innovation going to work together?
Thank you for being here, Mr. Widauer. So your work is at the Vienna State Opera.
Digital development. So that's. I think we are the only opera house with this job title. So it's digital development, meaning digital initiatives like setting up a comprehensive live streaming program. We are producing about 50 of our shows per season for an online platform. It's a live and on-demand streaming platform. It's also accessible on Apple TV and Amazon Fire. So it's a broad distribution. We have a partner platform in China where we reach out to 180,000, I think now. People. It's a payable service. Another of our digital initiatives is that we equip every seat and standing room in the house with a tablet computer. So everybody attending a performance has a tablet computer
in the audience,
in front of us, and you can order your drink for the interval, very important, and you can subscribe to our newsletters, very important for us. And you can take part in some surveys, so give us a feedback. Yes. We can address every single tablet with a personalized, individualized message saying, "Hi Julia, it's good to have you here." During the performance, you can read along the subtitles for the performance in 8 languages now.
Okay.
It's German, English, French, Italian,
Chinese,
Russian, Japanese, Spanish, and Chinese. We talked about that also here at the conference a little bit. We are now moving into another step of digitalization, which is attacking the mountain, the piles of scores on paper.
Okay.
And now transforming that part of our activities into digital, which is a huge step and which touches the heart of a huge business, which is the music publishing industry. So we are really now attacking this and talking to all the publishers and developing a software package solution that enables us to work with digital sheet music. And that's things that are not so known to the public, that a house like Vienna State Opera would use about 1.5 million pages of music per year.
That's
for more than 500 people working in the artistic field and many others that work in the technical departments but still use music. When talking, for example, to the solution partners for the software, of course, it's not restricted to the field of opera. Sure. It's every kind of music. And so now the vision that emerges from talking about it, from working on it, from developing it, pushing it further, the vision emerging from that is now far broader than opera. It's that for every piece of music that you possibly can stream or download, I'll give you a checkbox where you can say, give me the music, and I will show you the music for that piece. So for your most favorite pop song, you'll get the music to sing along. Even if you can't read the music, I'll give you the sheet music, and I'll give you measure by measure, bar by bar, where you are and what you are singing. So even for people that are not really able to read music, that would teach them, and that would connect them in a completely different way to music and to composition.
And you're here because you want to present your ideas of the Opera House, or where's the connection here to the conference?
The connection to the conference is very easy. Herbert von Karajan was a person deep into the arts, but also deep into technology. He drove very really fast cars, and he flew his own plane, and he was never satisfied with any kind of recording, be it audio or videos. He always worked on that. He worked on improving technology, improving quality, technological quality. She was really very much into this, and I feel it natural on the one hand, and on the other hand, also really interesting and really exciting and fascinating that the Karajan Foundation now does this. So to continue this this part of Karajan's activities that is not so much known. You always talk about the Erhabene Karajan music conducting thing, always with closed eyes.
The conductor.
But you don't talk so much about this other aspect that is as important.
And very interesting for this time period now.
I have a very personal connection also. So I am from Salzburg, and I worked for Salzburg Festival in very low positions like checking tickets and also on stage sometimes. As a stand-in, it was funny. But my brother, I have a brother who is a psychologist. Already in the mid-1970s, they did research with Karajan, where they put electrodes on him and did an electrocardiogram live when he conducted, measured all not only his heartbeat, but also the structure of his heartbeat when he conducted. And then they did the same when he flew his plane. It was very funny to see that he was far more excited when conducting than in really difficult situations that they brought him flying his plane. So that was a very interesting thing.
Karajan.
Herr Karajan.
All right. Thank you
My
very
friend.
much. Our friend.
Our friend.
From the conference.
Our friend Herbert.